Okay, let me go for a simple tea shop example. Near a busy bus stand, there was a small tea shop. The owner is the Ramesh. Sold a normal tea, ordinary tea, nothing special. Another tea shop nearby served almost the same tea. Yet, this first person's shop is always full crowded. He asked, why is your shop is always crowded? Ramesh simply smiled and said, I don't sell only tea, I listen people. I don't sell only tea, I listen people. Okay, every morning customers shared their stories. Someone talked about exams. Someone discussed business. Someone spoke about their family problems. Ramesh never rushed them. He listened patiently. Sometimes he spoke only one sentence. Everything will be all right. Everything will be all right. Okay. So just observe that. They require someone to listen. That place, the people are always going to come. That is the reason why my shop is the crowded. I'm not only selling tea, I'm listening the people. Okay, really, man. Listening is very, very powerful. Very, very powerful. Better to use this weapon. Then the people are going to like you. You are trying to, everyone is going to feel that if I'm going to talk about my success, then the people are going to admire me like nothing. The people always very much enjoy to talk about themselves. Okay, not to listen about yourself. So use the same technique, listen. Encourage them to talk more and more. Okay, these are the important things what you people should aware. Okay.